A group of nurses is in dismay after President Benigno Aquino III vetoed the nurses' bill that seeks to increase their salary. Rosalie Cos tells us why.
Marlene Dumandan is just one of the thousands of nurses in the country who are hoping for wage increase should the comprehensive nursing law is enacted. Marlene says her salary of 18,000 pesos a month does not suffice the need of her family. She adds that sometimes she is thinking of working overseas to earn more. However, she holds back her thoughts because she is considering her children who are still of minors.
Hindi talaga sasapat sa mga may pamilyang mga empleyado ang 18,000. Talagang makakapag-isip po talagang mag-abroad ang karamihan sa mga nurses. Dahil nga kulang na kulang po talaga ang sahod.
President Aquino vetoed a comprehensive nursing bill that seeks to increase the basic pay for nurses to over 25,000 pesos. The decision turned Marlene's hope to dismay.
Malaking tulong po sana po yung 25,000. Malaki po sana yung maitutulong, makakapagbigay ng dagdag sa pangkabuhayan, sa gastusin.
NARS party list is also in dismay over President Aquino's decision. According to party list representative Leia Pakis, one of the reasons why President Aquino vetoed the bill is because it would affect the financial capacity of hospitals and could result in laying off employees and increase in the cost of healthcare services.
Imagine nyo yung mga hospital na yan, hindi naman yan tatakbo kung wala yung capital. Business yan eh. Pero ang mga nurse, pinipiga nila dugot pawis na mga yan, hindi nila pinapasweldo ng tama. Kumita na sila ng matagal eh. May nagsara ba sa kanila?
Aside from increase in salary, the said bill also seeks protection for nurses against exploitation and illegal recruitment. With this development, the group is determined to continue the fight for the welfare of nurses, although they have not secured a seat in the 17th Congress. Rosalie Cos reporting for Y News.